Good day sa ating lahat. Welcome sa ating pang-apat na video sa ating 2021 BLEPT Mathematics Review Series. So sa video na to, I will be discussing and answering the question number 16 up to question number 20. Again, this is Gerald Apostol and I will be your lecturer for this video. So now let us proceed with question number 16. And for those na hindi pa nakakapanood ng ating mga previous videos regarding this 2021 BLEPT Mathematics Review Series, please do watch the question number 1 up to question number 15 from the previous videos in our channel. Also, do not forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's go with question number 16. So we have question number 16. This question is on fractions. To simplify 12x y raised to the power of 4 all over 3xy. So as you can see, we have 12, we have 3, and we have variables x and y. So ang una natin gagawin dito is we are going to separate those constants dun sa ating mga variables so that we can easily apply the laws of exponents pag magkakahiwalay na sila. So let us go to our, let me show my pen. Ito natin ng kulay. Yung mga wavelengths of the zero. So you have here 12 over 3, and then for x over x, and then we have y to the fourth power all over y. Okay, we know naman na this is just the same with the original equation, original expression. So, pinaghiwa-hiwalay lang natin for us to apply the laws of exponent easily at saka para hindi kayo malito pagka-simplify ninyo. And wala kayong mapalagpas ng mga exponents or ma-overlook. Kasi once na nakapag-overlook kayo ng at least one exponent or a negative exponent in the expression, it will result to an incorrect answer. One incorrect answer. So we have here 12 divided by 3 and we know that is equal to 4. And then we know naman na this x over x is equal to 1. And we have this y raised to 4 and y raised to 2. And alam natin na yung quotient rule natin, we know that if we are going to divide two numbers having the same base over xm, ang ginagawa natin dyan are we are just subtracting the exponents. So for example, x raised to 3 over x raised to 2. Ang magiging sagot dyan will be x raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to x raised to 1 or x. So sa case natin dito, y raised to 4 divided by y, and alam naman natin na there is an invisible 1 sa ating denominator. So ang sagot natin dito is y raised to 3. Okay, so our final answer will be 4. 4 times 1 is 4, y cubed. So in this problem, our answer is 4y cubed. Okay, let us proceed with our next question. Question number 17. So this falls under the topic complex fractions. So we have here, it is considered complex fraction since we have a numerator that is also a fraction, and we have a denominator that is also a fraction. So in this problem, we're just going to rewrite everything para mas madali siyang intindihin. And remember, itong vinculum itong vinculum line na to or the division line or the fraction bar is a division operation. So we have 2 over xy divided by, so this vinculum that is divided by x over y. And we know naman that if we are going to divide numbers in fractions, ang ginagawa natin is we are going to change this division symbol into multiplication para makapag-multiply tayo ng numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, we have 2 over xy. And remember, hindi lang natin siya basta-basta pinapalitan ng multiplication. Once na pinalitan natin yan ng multiplication, this one will, what? The numerator and the denominator for this one will reverse. So we're just going to get the reciprocal of this. We have x, y over x, and then we're going to proceed with the ordinary multiplication of fractions. We're going to multiply the numerators. We have 2 times y is 2y, and then we have we have x times x, we have x squared, and then y is y. So the product of this, or the quotient of 2 over xy divided by x over y is equal to 2y over x squared y. But this is not yet the final answer since this is not yet simplified. So as you can see, mayroong y sa taas at mayroong y sa baba. We're going to simplify this. So same process doon sa ating number 16. So you have 2y over x squared y. We're going to separate those variables na magkapareho para makita natin kung sino ang ika-cancel natin or kung paano natin i-apply yung laws of exponents. So you have 2 over 1 times 1 over x squared times y over y. So yan. We have invisible 1 dito and then yung x1. So yan. So this is the factored form or yung mga pinag-iwahiwalay natin. Actually, this one is just the same with this. So, ang purpose lang natin dito is para makita natin kung sino yung isi-simplify natin, which is si y. Pero kung kabisado nyo naman na itong process na to, kahit na hindi nyo na rin gawin. Pero for those beginners or for those individuals na medyo naguguluhan pa in terms of laws of exponents, so you can do this. So we have y and y. Actually, we can already cancel that because this is equal to 1. So we have 2 times 1 times 1 is 2 over 1 times x squared is x squared. So our final answer is this, 2 over x squared. So that is our answer on question number 17. Next, we have question number 18. So question number 18 is on mathematics of investment. So this topic is on simple interest. So here is the problem. If Wendy borrows 150,000 pesos at 8% per year for 2.5 years, how much is the interest to be paid? So, as we know naman na our formula for simple interest is equal to, so, A is equal to P times 1 plus R P, where A is the total accrued amount, P is the principal, 1 plus R is our rate in percent, and time for T in years. Remember, we have a total accrued amount, and then R is percent rate, and then we have T time in years. Okay, let us apply that formula to our problem. Let us move to our next page and palitan natin yung kulay ng ating ballpen. So we have our formula that is equal to A is equal to P times 1 plus R T. And our principal amount is 150,000 and our rate is equal to 8%. We're not going to use this format of 8%. We're going to convert that in decimal. And we know naman na ang ating 8% is equal to 0.08. So 0.08 ang gagamitin natin for this one. And then we have time in years. So 2.5. 2.5 years daw kasi yung duration ng loan. So we are going to plug in these numbers sa ating formula. So the total accrued amount is equal to 150,000 times 1 plus 0.08 times 2.5. So this will become, so 0.08 times 2.5 is 0.2. So we have A is equal to 150,000 times 1 plus 0.2. And then we have A is equal to 150,000 times 1.2. So the total accrued amount is equal to 180,000. So 180,000 will be the total amount of the loan after the prescribed time, which is the 2.5 years. But the question is, how much interest? So we're going to subtract the principal amount from this accrued amount. So we have accrued amount minus the principal amount is equal to 180,000 minus 150,000 is equal to 30,000 pesos. So 30,000 pesos will be our final answer for this question number 18. Okay, next number. We have question number 19. Question number 19 is also on mathematics of investment. It is on compound interest. So here is the problem. Find the amount of an investment if 30,000 is invested at 9% compounded quarterly for 3 years. So the formula for compounded interest is equal to, okay, let us change the color of my pen. Okay, we have a total accrued amount is equal to principal times 1 plus rate over n raised to the power of n t. So P is the principal amount, R is rate, N is number of times compounded per year, and then we have T, time. Okay, so we have here. So for example, dito, yung N will be 4 times kasi 4 times a year, compounded quarterly kasi. Okay? Kapag sinabi namang compounded annually, ibig sabihin yung N natin is 1 lang kasi once lang siya magko-compound in a year. Pero pag sinabing semi-annually, twice yun. Okay? So let us go with this problem and let us solve for find the amount of investment is 300,000. Okay, so yun. We're going to get the total accrued amount for this problem. So we have A is equal to the principal amount times 1 plus R and T. So our principal amount is equal to 30,000. Our rate is 9%, that is 0.09. Our N is quarterly, and we have total number of years is 3 years. So we have accrued amount is equal to 30,000 times 1 plus rate is 0.09 over 4 times 4 times 3. Okay, so A is equal to 30,000 times 1 plus, if we're going to divide this, 0.09 divided by 4, that is equal to 0.0225 raised to 12. So A is equal to 30,000 times 1.0225 raised to the power of 12. So we have A, or the total accrued amount is equal to 30,000 times 1.30605. If you're going to compute for 1.0225 raised to the power of 12, it is equal to 130,605. And if you are going to multiply that, 30,000 times 1.30605 is equal to 39,181.50 pesos. So here is our total amount, total accrued amount. So 39,181 pesos point 50 centavos for is our answer for question number 19. So let us proceed with question number 20, or our last question for this video. So still on mathematics of investment, and it is continuous compounding, compounded continuously. So it is still on compound interest. So find the amount of an investment if 30,000 pesos is invested, 9% compounded continuously for 3 years. So yung previous question natin kanina is it is compounded quarterly, but in this problem, it is compounded continuously. So we have a formula for compounded continuously. So ang formula natin for this is, palit tayo ng color ng pen. So we have the total accrued amount is equal to the principal times e to the power of rate times t. So yung e natin dito na tinatawag is this is the irrational number e, wherein you can find that in your calculator. So as you can see dito sa version ng aking calculator, yung e na yung e na constant is nasa, then hindi ko mapakita yung calculator. Nasa may natural logarithm na po. You're going to press shift and then yung natural logarithm ln. Yung ln na symbol dyan. So let us solve for this problem and let us try to look kung sino ang mas malaki ang balik. It's yung investment ba na 30,000 pesos at 9% compounded quarterly, or itong 9% compounded continuously. So let us have this. Wait lang, palitan ko yung pen. We have A is equal to P, E, R, T. So total amount accrued is equal to principal. Our principal is 30,000. E, yung rate natin is 0.09 times 3. So A is equal to 30,000 times e to the power of 0.27. And try to compute this in your calculators. We have A is equal to 30,000 times 1.30996. So we have A is equal to 39,298.93 pesos. So this is our final amount for the 30,000 compounded continuously at 9%. So ang ating sagot kanina sa ating previous item is 181.50. So this is compounded continuously. Ito naman compounded quarterly. And they are the same at 9%, 9%. So as you can see, mas malaki yung final amount or the total accrued amount for the compounded continuously at 9% or at the same rate. So that's all for this video, guys. So I hope na sa susunod na video is manonood pa rin kayo, and always remember to practice your skills in solving mathematics. This might help you itong series na to, and please do share this video to your friends, and don't forget also to click the subscribe button to your channel. So thank you so much. Bye bye.